Okay, we're eating light today because all the other stuff I've already eaten. Sorry, I grabbed an ugly French toast. The moment I picked up this sticky bun, some guy was like, I wouldn't eat that. Those are disgusting. So, so let's see. I said, it's okay. It's for the review. Got that. Alright, let's see. Let's see. This is delicious. You ate this? You ate the sticky bun? I mean, it's just a cold cinnamon roll with walnut. It's not disgusting. It's fine. Okay. And French toast. Oh, maybe I should try it. What? French toast. Let's try with nothing on it. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I need ketchup for the hash brown thing. We have a ketchup. Hold on. Okay, let's try this with nothing. Some of the egg didn't make it onto the bread. So now my French toast. Okay, and the potato. Hash brown looking thing. It's good. Now a little ketchup. Oh, that was a lot. I think the hash browns are good. It's a hash brown tater tot combined. Okay. Breakfast sausage. Okay, my brother got the omelet with everything, which is ham, onion, mozzarella, and cheddar cheese. And then there's green peppers, and I think there was one other ingredient, but I don't remember. Tomato? It was in that tray. So there you go. There's all the ingredients. Let's give it a try. Ooh, not cooked all either. That's not cooked all the way to be soft, gooey, or the cheese, which both are good. It's good, but I would probably remove the green peppers. They add too much different flavor. I taste too much of the green pepper flavor. We'll ask them to put half of the amount. Oh, so they have fresh dough. Oh, with the arugula or something on it? I think it's that. Prosciutto, yeah. Yeah.
Sorry, that way.
Okay, I'm a little confused. This is a salad bar, and I see salami, ham, turkey, mortadella, I don't know what that is, Swiss, cheddar, provolone, honeydew melon, some yogurts, and then this isn't salad. It's toppings I can put on the pizza. This is a arugula pizza and a Caesar salad I got from the pizza place. Yeah, prunes and cottage cheese. Okay, let's try this. So apparently in Italian it's called rucola, or they call la rucola, and then in America or in English they shorten it to arugula. So that's where it came from. I saw the pizza and I was like, it looks like arugula, and then the Italian guy that was standing waiting for a pizza, he said, it's actually la rucola. And I said, oh. Pretty good. Crispy crust. Easy. Alright, let's try the Caesar salad. It looks very cheese powdered on top. Let's try salad. There you go. Alright, we got different taco stuff. There's a chicken, a fish one, and a pork one. Put a little lime on all of them. A little more. I got lettuce, tomato, cilantro, onions, and then 3 different kinds of salsas. And here is the burrito. I put everything in it, so I don't know, it's too full. So it looks like there's all the stuff that's in it. Oh my goodness. Pretty good. Not bad. Okay, now the salad bar actually has salad. Last time it just had tomatoes and cucumber. And you can see what they have. Lots more stuff to make your own salad with everything in there. And you can have coleslaw now and macaroni salad to put in your salad. Potato salad, coleslaw, avocado pesto, and lots of different salad dressings. You can even add cereals to your salad. They have veal now, and they have some clams or mussels.
The bracelet?
Mussel?
Better than the clam chowder that have no...
Okay. They should have put that in the clam chowder.
Yep.
The buffalo sandwich is not good. But this one is mussel, not clam. So never mind, don't put that in the clam chowder because mussel has a different
You want
mushy,
try
I don't know what they call that.
The veal?
Right, let's try some of the veal.
The set of painting that you bought is
Very good.
veal.
They also have some barbecue now, ribs and chicken. They also have some pumpkin soup. Good stuff. I didn't eat any of these desserts, but they have a whole sweet spot dessert counter. Hi. Different kinds of jellos, cookies, and yeah. Yeah, we got some jellies.
This can be
My jello!
for the
Not bad.
giraffe weighing thing. For the arm weighing competition.
Not bad. This is the kind of bread we got this time. It looks like it might be... Oh, actually, it's not sourdough. It smells good. Alright, here's the bread.
What time are we planning to go?
This is a good bread. Good bread. It's not the sour bread. It's not really hard. The crust is crunchy, crispy. Good. Okay, here's the pasta thing, and they called it spring roll, but it's like egg rolls. We got extra, we got green onions, our brother didn't get it. Alright, we cut them in half.
Very simple but very tasty. So we're trying to combine Mexican and Asian. Put the
Mexican and Asian. Oops, I don't know what I don't know I was recording, but here you go. Let's try this. Weird, barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce, American beef with an egg roll. What? Okay, this is the pokey thing. Alright, let's try this. Looks very simple. I see like bacon. Bacon. Nice smoky flavor, good. This is the emerald salad. Well, let's try the pokey first. I see, I think pineapple, edamame, cucumber. Oops, sorry. Looks like red onion and carrots. A little avocado. Some shrimp. And a little thing of rice with the, what's that, seaweed salad on it. Not bad. Okay, and the emerald salad, let's try. There's some bacon. It looks like the Caesar salad. I wonder what dressing they use. With the egg. Nothing special. Nothing special. Nothing special. Alright, this is the broccoli soup. What's on top? I don't know. Okay, there's a warm soup. It's almost like a clam chowder. It's good. It's like a clam chowder with no clam and no potato chunks. It's like blended in. Not bad. We got another kind of soup.
broccoli cheddar soup.
Broccoli cheddar soup? This? No, the other one's the broccoli one. I don't know what this one is. I don't know what this one's called. And this, I don't know. Some ham. How's that? I think oregano. Pretty good. So the Indian one now, they have the right kind of rice. So we'll see. Here's the fried chicken. No, this one's a fried chicken one. Which one's a everyday thing? Let's try this sauce. Is it a Okay, like a gravy. So let's try. I can already tell the broccoli is gonna be no. But let's try with this. Not crispy enough. I think it's a baked chicken, not a fried chicken. I think it's baked, not fried. Let's try this one. Yeah, overcooked broccoli. The flavor's good. Alright, let's try this. There's no meat in it. Whoa. They replaced the meat with like lentils or potato or something. The rice is better now, it's not over soggy. And I'm assuming this is going to be the same. About the same. Alright, and this is the leg of lamb. Do we need a knife for this, or? Okay, give me a second, I need a knife. This is an eggplant or something. Oh, it's wrong, it's not lamb, it's an eggplant. No, not my thing. And this is the lamb. Okay, this is the lamb. Let's try the lamb here.
Somebody took my fork.
We need another fork?
Where's my fork?
We can get another one. You put it on the Indian plate. Okay, looks like potato.
I like the mushroom.
The lamb needs a little extra. Needs more sauce. Okay, this is the, what do you call? Sirloin. Sirloin? Okay. I'm assuming it's going to be similar to the other thing. It's a roasted sirloin. Okay. It's just a very long cooked piece of beef. The sauce, you like that?
Not too tough, not too
Like the lamb one.
The lamb one's good.
It's similar to the lamb. Okay, we need to put the salad dressing, I think. This is the beef steak salad. I think it's the same as this, but in a salad. Let's try it. Very long cooked piece of beef. Soft. Tender. I didn't even see what that is. What is this one?
Some kind of fish.
Oh, the fish thing. I don't know. You'll see the menu, I guess. And these are the dishes we ordered. We didn't order any of the steakhouse stuff. And then the desserts, we ordered banana cream pie and cappuccino thing. Okay, and here's the fishy thing. What? Did he say the lamb is so good he doesn't like it? What? What is that? Is this cottage cheese? Okay, I like the flavor, but I don't know what this lumpy, white, clumpy stuff is. Weird.
I think mashed potato.
If it's mashed potato, it's very lumpy. It needs to be smoother. Other than that, I like the fish and the flavor. Okay, everyone agrees that this one should be cooked longer so that the eggplant can be softer. The eggplant was pretty tough. I don't know what that is. It might be grits or mashed potato, or it's grits? Okay. It's like, it's a good tasting fish with the sauce, but like a lumpy, very lumpy, weird mashed potato or cottage cheese. You like that? I think the lumps are weird. I think it's weird. It's too lumpy. It's like extra lumpy grits. And then, yeah, this should be softer. It would be better. It would be like that lasagna eggplant thing from Costco. Oh, this is the Carnival melting chocolate cake thing that last time it was just syrup. That's what it looks like. This is the banana cream pie. Looks like a nice plating. What is this?
You got one?
Got this. It's not a strong banana flavor, I think, because the banana's only there. What is that? Where's the banana? It's not a strong banana flavor. Okay. The banana's all the way here. This is not... It's not mixed. The flavor's not mixed throughout the whole pie. Okay, and this is... What was this? Coffee something? What was this called?
Oh no, the coffee.
It's a cappuccino or something. Whoa, it's so strong.
No, he wasn't joking. It's not mango.
I know, the mango one was darker orange. This one's pretty strong flavor. Okay, and then they didn't have mango this time, so he said orange. Yep, orange sherbet.
No for the kid. So strong.
Good. Okay, there's the banana all throughout, but it's light after eating everything else that has much stronger flavors.